just finished day 30. Is it day 30? Day 13 of Insanity, which is 2 DVDs, Pure Cardio and Cardio Apps. Now, Shanti, why is it that you feel that I would have the strength to do 1 DVD after the other DVD, especially when on the first DVD, at the end of it, you lie down on the ground dead? You are actually dead, Shanti. What do you think I could have to after you after? You know what I learned today? I learned child's pose. Because you see on that Cardio Apps DVD, every time Shanti do something, I do like 1 rep and then just go into child's pose and wait on that to be done because my body don't work like that. And you see this thing where all of this pelvic thrusting and these things are going on, I wasn't built for that. No, I wasn't built for that. And I want to say, thumbs up to anybody who is engaged in any type of sexual activity where they're the one doing the thrusting, because that is very hard on your core. Very hard on your core. And this is just to say that I won't be involving myself in any of that anytime soon, because I just don't have the fortitude for it. Child's pose. That's what I learned today. Oh, but in other news, I actually managed to do 4 suicide jump. You know, suicide jump, the one where you're supposed to double up your body, so, and then just all of a sudden just jump back, so, and then just jump back in, so. Right. I don't function like that. What would happen is I would bend down, and then I would be like split, 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 and eventually get to the position that I was supposed to be in, and then take time split, 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 jump back in. But today I harnessed all of the power that was in my core, which at this point is the same as my gut, because I don't have a core, I have a gut at this point, and I like it. It is a nice cut, and I rock it. Yeah, so now I can just like, if I put all my power, I can and then like only 4 of those. Only 4 of those. Them the machine that when me see him have a I'm gonna make for them sound there. Oh, and Tonya, please stop being so damn melodramatic. Everybody knows that you get up and do insanity 2 times before you even brush your teeth. Everybody know that these things are not difficult for you, so please stop doing all of this and heavy breathing and these things. And when it is that Shanti tell you to shake it out, you don't have to shake it for 15 minutes, nor does it need to look like you're in the middle of dirty whining or breaking it down, because all of this just shake out your body and continue. Go and drink water and spit like the other people them and move on. Please? Thanks. Insanity day 13. Tomorrow I get a day off. I know that some people are watching this video and saying that they're going to do the insanity and not doing it. It is not fair that me won't have to do it. If I have to do it, somebody else have to do it with me, please. Because it is very lonely. Oh, and I think that the pothole them in my floor is getting worse because I stop jump on the beam, and a while ago I jump and I literally feel my ankle nearly twisting in one hole. So I'm sorry for the boy downstairs. The plaster supposed to come out, I'm sealing. Whoopsie.